So this is always the toughest part, is selecting one company. And just so that you guys know that this advances the winner of this event to the top 25 as a semifinalist. It just means that our chief technologists can do a deeper dive in the technology. It doesn't guarantee them one of those top 10 spots. Our competition is steep at our iTech forums. So steep that I have heard on multiple occasions entrepreneurs come in, they show up on the first day, they always win in every competition they're in. They show up at NASA iTech and, well, they may not win. and when they don't win, they realize that they didn't because the competition was so steep. So we really have high caliber technologies and entrepreneurs that are coming into our forum. And so it was tough for tonight for them to make a decision, but thank you to all the entrepreneurs for all of your hard work in presenting. And if I could get you guys to, don't we bring them on stage really quickly? Yeah, so if I could get you guys to come up here, and we're going to give you a round of applause for all of your hard work. One more thing is that even though you weren't selected as the top winner tonight, your presentation is still considered for the overall cycle. And you guys want to know who won this? Yeah. That didn't really sound convincing. I'm like,
I don't know.
Let me try this again. One more time. Sometimes after a couple drinks, you might need a second shot at that. So, you guys want to hear who won this tonight? Thank you. So our Center Chief Technologist from Marshall Space Flight Center is going to come up and announce who the winner is. John, if you can join us up here.
Sure. Thank you, Kira. So once again, it's always an honor to hear all these great ideas from the entrepreneurs. It's really challenging to really expose yourself and share your ideas broadly with the community, and we really appreciate it. So I'm really honored to be a part of this, and it was difficult for us to choose the winner. We were going back and forth, but we're very proud to pick our winner for the Ignite the Night in Chicago, which is Stofiel.
Hold on. So John, you were going to talk a little bit about why we thought Stofiel should be the top winner for this.
So. Yeah, like I said, we had a lot of different debates as far as our top winner, and essentially, Stofiel really offers an opportunity for us with, just a really expanse of applicability of what we could use this technology for. As you can imagine, rapidly 3D printing ceramics has broad use capabilities for us for multiple applications, from some of our rocket technologies where we're using additive manufacturing to reduce the cost and cycle time, but even some of our more advanced nuclear fuels that we use for low-enriched uranium for NTP, nuclear thermal propulsion over at Marshall. And so specifically for us, a lot of applications, and we'll be excited to continue to work with Stofiel in the future.
Thank you. So I want to thank those of you who joined us to live stream tonight. Thank you to everyone who actually showed up tonight to encourage these entrepreneurs to continue to do great things and impact the world that we live in. We're happy to be a part of it, and good luck in your endeavors, and I'm sure we'll see you again. Thanks for joining.